So I've built up a very simple kind of lo-fi, chill out kind of hip-hop track. Now let's do something with the vocal. Now the vocals are all on this track too, which I'm going to rename here vocal. I want to add in something to this vocal, which is the audio effect known as the vocoder. So I'll just add in the vocoder. If you listen now, then it sounds like it's just the carrier here is on noise. Okay, basically now like some industrial horror creature has taken over the song, right? If you set it to modulator, it modulates itself. I just wanna start a new day. Actually, she sounds like she's singing from somewhere outside the window. What is more interesting is on this track, which is track number 1, I have a synth. To prove it, I'm going to play a couple notes. What I'm going to do in this track, which is the synth, track number 1, the synth, I'm going to insert a double click to insert a blank MIDI clip. And then I'm just going to add a C note, which I'm going to sustain throughout. Going back to the track 2 where my vocal is, for my carrier, I'm now going to choose external. And external, I'm going to choose the synth. So let's see what happens. Okay, I better switch off track 1 because I don't want to hear the raw synth. I want to hear the synth as it's traveling through the vocal. So you see that it's actually now singing the notes of the... I can actually start drawing in notes. I'm going to draw in notes. So it's sounding a bit creepier now, right? Why don't I take this down a couple of steps? So I've actually transformed the sound of this into a new tune. And I can, of course, adjust the dry wet so I can hear the original.